Welcome back, guys, to Love Budget Co. And I am Marie. Thank you so much for being a part of my community. Thank you so much for subscribing, hitting a thumbs up, leaving your positive feedback, hitting your notification. Thank you for running my playlist. Thank you so much. It helps us so much. So today we're going to be doing our June income plan or our June budget breakdown. If you guys want to see how that goes, please stay tuned. Welcome back, guys, to Love Budget Co. I am Marie. I'm a single mom of a little boy and I live on an island. I depend on government help, so my expenses and my financial journey looks a little bit different from you guys' at this particular moment.
The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top, we're gonna.
Okay, guys, as you guys see here, we have only one clock filled out. These are freebies, by the way. I gave this as my 100 subscriber freebies. It's in the freebie video. Search for the freebie video and you will have these there, as well as I forgot to print out the little cow. There's a little cow one too, as a savings challenge. So we have here one clock. Why? Because each clock is worth 80 watch hours, and I'm 5 hours away from filling this one out, so you guys are awesome and amazing. Thank you. But I only have one clock filled out, which would be the 80, and then each icon here is worth 10 subscribers, so we're almost at 200 subscribers. We're missing one. We're at 199. 199. We're missing a person here. Just subscribe, hit the subscribe, share, subscribe. We're missing one here. So that's how we're going, and that's our progress so far on this channel. So now we're going to do our June budget breakdown, guys. As you guys see, we're missing the stickers. I'm a little behind on that. I got to do the June stickers, which I do know. I know which ones they are. I just have to like go in and search for them. So this June plan, we actually have in rollover 20. So in this June plan in rollover we have 20, and in government help we have 0. So our income sources are cash, right? This is from side hustles that we do, whatever we can come up with. That's what I always project $20. I'm never sure if I'm gonna make that. In government help, $370. In rollover, we have 20. And in app income, hopefully this time we'll get 20, because last month was not too good. Last month was not good at all. And then that's a total of 430, right? That's how much we project that we're going to receive. I don't have a job, so we just go off of app income. Go to buy me a coffee, buy a printable or two. Buy printables, there's some savings challenges. Get yourself some savings challenges. Don't fall behind. Get yourself some savings challenges. So in gas, we have here $20. So that might be the rollover, right? We might spend that on 20 on gas. Lunch, we have 5. You guys know gas is our highest spending category here. So then in lunch, I'm going to put 5, because I always put 0 and I always wind up spending more. So I'm going to put 5. School fund 0, because my son is not going to be going to school now during the next 2 months. Groceries is $370. I always do 70% the first time and 30% the second time. Personal care, I put $1. Household $1, and miscellaneous $1, giving us a total of $388. Student loan $1 and car loan $1, giving us a total of $2. Then we go into son's B day. Here we put 0. Back to school, I want to put in $15, because we really gotta put the pedal to the metal on the back to school. Back to school sneaks up on us, especially if you have a lot of children. Thankfully, I only have one, but since I am changing him from school, I have to completely change the uniforms. So that's going to be a high cost there, and that's why I have to put $15. Cart maintenance, $10. I really got to get this AC checked because, y'all, it's going from 100 to 105 degrees, but the heat index is going from 110 to 115. When I tell you it's hot, you can have a heat stroke. I'm not playing. We have a heat advisory. So I need to get this AC checked ASAP. But we do have some money in there, so that's the good part. And in medical, $5, because my son goes into a lot of medical issues, especially when he's in like school. So I want to have something there saved up in medical. And then glasses, we have $1. Christmas, $1. I really got to get some glasses because I almost broke mine today. Oof, that would be vicious. Because most of the time I pay $450 for glasses. Mother's Day, $0. Father's Day, $0. Business, $3, because I really want to get this P.O. box, because I got some physical products which I cannot show you guys. I got them there and I cannot show you guys. But they're good. They're good, guys. They are so good. They are so good. So I need this P.O. box. And then clothing and shoes is $0 for a total of $35, right? And then if we go down here, the emergency fund, I'm going to try and tackle $5 in this month as well. Last month we managed to get them $5 in, and we are almost, you guys know that I always have the little savings challenge, which you also can get at my Buy Me a Coffee shop. And I have that little savings challenge, guys, and that I almost have it filled out. So that's a $5 difference. I mean, I have $1 difference there. So the total budget is $430. And then to do, I have to put, like I said, I got to put the stickers on this. I got the car AC, so that's pronto, the business P.O. box, the back to school, and car oil change, which all of these are like really highly important. So hopefully I will be able to tackle this car AC, because that really has me a little bit on the worried side. So hopefully I'll be able to tackle that. But this is how my budget is going to be going this month. Hopefully I will be able to get all this extra income. Like I said, guys, go support your favorite channel. Remember, when you support your favorite channel, you have to subscribe, watch a full video, hit a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Otherwise, they will say that you're a bot and you will be taken out. So if you just hit subscribe and left, it's not valid. It's not valid. Like, they will take that subscription off in a matter of hours or maybe a day. Like, maximum a day. But most of the time, I'll see the person subscribe, didn't watch or comment, and in a matter of hours, I will see that that one subscription went down. Like, at least my channel is small and I'm constantly like checking up on it. And in a matter of hours, that subscription is completely taken off. So if you subscribe and you do not watch the person, you don't watch the channel, you don't comment, give a thumbs up, then guess what? You'll be like taken off. So this month I have been watching people's playlists and trying to keep up with that, right? So thank you to everyone as well that has watched my playlist. You guys know there's a lot of community members now that have all these different challenges, right? And all these different, I should say, support. They have all these support posts. So make sure that you keep up with them. Sita's budgeting journey is one. Budgeting just because is another one. Who else? There's a couple of people that have, there's a Mickey Train one. I forget her name, but there's a Mickey Train one as well. And these are all to support each other within the community. So make sure that you go, but please do watch the playlist if you guys are going to participate. Remember, that's another video, but most of the time that we are pretty supportive in the budgeting community, and most of the time people do watch and people do subscribe and people are sharing your posts and sharing your videos, right? And the same, like sometimes I can't do like immediately the playlist, but during the week people will see that little bits at a time because I don't have the best internet. I use my phone internet and the internet is bad. Like, it is bad. Like when I tell you today, they threw the message to pick up my son early from school. They threw the message through the internet, and the other parent knows that my internet is completely bad on the phone, so they called me. They said, listen, there's a message that just came out. You have to go pick up him up at school early, right? So that's how bad the internet is, that people already know. Even the school called me because I have notified in the school that my internet is bad, and to please don't like the messages just through internet because my internet is bad. So they already know that. So they try to call me. Y'all have to notify everybody. I gotta notify everybody because like I'm telling you, it gets bad at times. So every time that I can and I have the opportunity, I'm watching you guys' playlist, trying to watch everyone else's videos. Thankfully, the buddy that I got this weekend, I was actually able to knock all her videos out, and I watched her playlist twice. So thankfully with that. So I'm actually watching someone else's playlist that put on my channel. Under the video, the person put on the channel, I am going to watch your playlist. So I said, okay, then I'll watch yours. So that is also an option. If you guys want to leave under any of my videos, I'm going to watch your playlist. That way I will have you written down so that I can watch your playlist as well, right? Support. If you give me support, I have to give support back because it's only fair. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the community, and I'll catch you guys in our next video.